Well, hello everyone. Here I am at the Sky Pool at Pegasus Plaza. I was hoping that I could get everything put together here so that we could do a live presentation, but it seems like I've got issues again as usual. So I'm just going to make this real quick here. You can see, let's see, this is my hand here. Back here is my pool. Up here you see the sign Sky Pool. Hope it's on the right side. Looks backwards to me. But we'll get all this together, and I'm going to give you an update on what's happening, the NailingFX presentation, the session that I just finished, and an update on the proposed Forex session, the class, the free class that I was going to give this weekend. Looks like that's not going to happen. I'll give you an update. So let me go ahead and get out of this and come back into the presentation mode down in my apartment so that I can put it all together for you. All right, be back with you in just a bit. All right, so here we are back on the screen that I used this morning for my NailingFX presentation. I do a simplified FX trader training every Wednesday, so if you're able to come and see that, please do. It's live. It's either streamed on YouTube or it's streamed in FX Street. So this morning when I did it, it was at 10 o'clock in Vietnam here, and 3 or 4 a.m. in London, 11 p.m. yesterday in New York. So if you have questions for me about the sessions that I do called NailingFX, you can always get a hold of me by sending me an email at fxopabert@gmail.com or opa@tradictive.com, and you can get some guides on here as well. So this is the schedule that is running now. I'm on every Wednesday, but we have several other instructors who are teaching not only Forex, but all the different asset classes. So if you're interested in trading stocks or options or futures, please go ahead and take a look at that. You can get the complete schedule down here. Go to www.tradewithufos.com/NailingFX. And that'll give you the complete schedule, and there you'll see who's doing what. The NailingFX team is Cherian, he's in Dubai, myself here in Vietnam, and Andrew's in Singapore, and then Pedro's in Spain. So you can also, obviously, if you're looking at this on Facebook, you know how to follow me there, but Forex Pipsville is my Facebook page. And you search it, you can tell your friends they can search it by using @FXPipsTrading. Okay, so I'm going to skip the disclaimer because we are not going to actually do any real trading. What I did is I talked about the market timing clock this morning, my 4 zebra moving averages, the enhanced versions that I did the build for last week. We talked about the MACD with a focus on its pivots, the MACD focus on divergence, and then we did the correlation about how you use TradingView in conjunction with MT4. And we also had hunting for some trades. We didn't actually put on any trades, but it was a good session. Here's the market timing clock that I talked about a little bit to answer the questions. When should you trade? Who's actually trading? What sessions are open? What currency pairs are the best to trade at this point in time when you're trading? So go to the market timing clock. That's market24hclock.com. Lots and lots of good information there. Answers most of your questions about when to trade and what to trade. You can see here my clock is set for my local time in Vietnam. Okay, so this was the enhanced version of the profile that I built for my students last time. Here is the profile with the MACD, and we talked specifically about the MACD, and I did a session some time ago on reading the MACD, how we look at the MACD to find divergence and identify when a trend might come to an end. And so what we do is we do hunting for a trade. So that's what we're looking at when we're getting into the actual trades. So all of the analysis is real-time charts to identify potential trades. And I was going to, so that was the good news, kind of here's the bad news. I was going to hold a free introductory to Forex trading session this weekend. I had an opportunity to set up for 4 sessions on the weekend, this weekend, the 20th and 21st. However, although there was considerable interest in the sessions, it appears that only one person, one of my friends that I know here, was actually signing up and made a commitment to come. And so, yes, there was a lot of interest, but there was no commitment on the part to justify having a class at a remote site and doing all the setup and everything that goes with having a live presentation. So I will try again to do this. We'll try again for next month, probably around the same time period next month. We'll see if people are interested. As a result, I did get a couple of people that have told me that they would prefer to have private mentoring, and I'm setting up the private mentoring for those individuals. So I'm at your service. If you're in the Bien Hoa, Dong Nai area, please come and, let me know that you're interested and like to learn about Forex trading so that you have some idea of what the potential is and how you might be able to get involved now or in the future. It doesn't cost anything, so I just hope that people will taking advantage of the opportunity that I'm providing. So everyone, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one when I will be doing an update on Facebook. Oh, I tried to do the trading from the pool, the bright sunshine. I could not see the screen. The internet required a lot of adjustments, so I just did that quick intro clip for you to show you I did make an attempt. We'll see what happens if that happens in the future. So thanks again for watching, and enjoy the rest of your week and this weekend. Have a great day, and we'll see you later.